With dogs comes poop. Sometimes you gotta clean up poop. So I've got a pooper scooper here today, and I thought I would unbox it and have a look at what's inside, put it together, and then check out the quality. I know absolutely zero about pooper scoopers, but let's have a look. That's the only thing in the box. No more bending down. I don't spend much time bending down to clean up poop, thankfully, but you never know. There we go, it slides forward. You've got all the little supplies in there. Oh, a ton of bags, nice. This is good, thick quality. It's actually thicker than my broom receptacle. My broom receptacle is less thick kind of plastic, and this black and green is actually pretty decent. These poles are connected, and then we've got multiple ones, and the rake itself, it's metal. Very nice quality. I expected this to be plastic, so I'm pleased with that. And then in here we have a little hook with the sticky on the back so you can hang it on the wall outside. My instructions are incorrect, and the instructions do not look very clear, so I'm going to do the best I can with this. What I do know is we have two of these, one like this, but this one also is similar, and then we've got two of these. So basically, if I could assemble them the same way, I think we'll be okay. This feels like it's in the wrong spot. Pops right in there. Doesn't seem to want to stand straight up. There it goes. Trying to scoop it in there, you want it to be up straight. If you press it down, it seals all the way in, and so that's pretty good. You can seal this completely. The hook is metal too. Nice quality metal that will hang right on there. This is my broom handle, which is actually almost as tall as I am. It goes right up here to my head. This is the bin for the sweeper, and this is the bin for the pooper scooper, and this one's taller. The quality on the pooper scooper is far superior than the broom. I'm 5 feet tall. I would have to bend over to do this. If you're looking for one that's super tall, this isn't it. Unless I've done something wrong, this is not tall. But if you're looking for a good quality one, I'm gonna vouch for the quality. If you're looking for a pooper scooper, this is really good quality. And this is metal, so you can't beat that. And even comes with the bonus hook. Go clean up some poop now. I guess that's what I'll have to do soon. Nah, I'll never do this. I'll pass this on to somebody else to clean up the poop. If you're not subscribed to my channel, where else you can find pooper scoopers? Be sure to give me some likes. Tell me how many times your dog pooped today. Don't tell me that. I don't care about that. Bye.